Do you believe that we are alone in this vast universe? For thousands of years, humanity has gazed upward, searching the endless night sky for answers to questions older than civilization itself. Are we truly the only form of life to emerge from the cosmic dust? Or do distant worlds hide secrets waiting to be uncovered? Today, we know the answer might not lie only on Earth-like planets, but perhaps in realms more chilling and inhospitable than we ever dared to imagine. Follow this journey, and you will uncover why Mars was once considered our most promising neighbor in the search for life, and whether the red planet still holds mysteries beneath its barren surface. Discover why Europa, the icy moon of Jupiter, is now seen as one of the best candidates for hosting life today. Witness the staggering challenges that stand between us and Europa, making it a world that, for now, remains beyond our reach. For generations, Mars has captured the human imagination. As our closest planetary neighbor, the red planet has long been a symbol of possibility, a place where life might have once flourished. Early telescopic images revealed channels, valleys, and the outlines of long, dry lake beds, all suggesting a world that might once have been warm and wet. NASA's Curiosity rover has since confirmed these suspicions, uncovering ancient ripple marks in sediment, evidence that liquid water once lingered on Mars's surface far longer than previously thought. Yet today, Mars tells a different story, a story of loss and survival against impossible odds. Its atmosphere is a mere wisp compared to Earth's, the air pressure so low that liquid water can barely persist. More crucially, Mars lacks a global magnetic field, a vital shield against the relentless solar wind. Without this protection, the planet's atmosphere was slowly stripped away, leaving behind a cold, desolate desert bathed in deadly radiation. But is all hope lost? Not quite. While the surface of Mars is hostile beyond belief, scientists have turned their focus beneath the dusty crust. Recent discoveries have offered a glimmer of hope. Curiosity has detected complex organic molecules in ancient rocks, long-chain compounds that might be the remnants of fatty acids, the very building blocks of cell membranes. These molecules are not proof of life, but they do suggest that prebiotic chemistry, the kind necessary for life to arise, once flourished on Mars. Could Mars be a graveyard of extinct life? Or might hardy microbes still persist in isolated pockets of liquid water deep underground, sheltered from the harsh surface? The answer remains tantalizingly out of reach, driving new missions and ever more sophisticated robotic explorers. Beyond Mars, the search for life has expanded to the far edge of what we once thought possible. Past the swirling storms of Jupiter lies Europa, a small moon encased in ice, its surface scored by countless ridges and cracks. At first glance, Europa appears lifeless, a frozen sphere adrift in the darkness. But science has revealed a hidden ocean beneath its crust, a global sea of liquid water locked beneath tens of kilometers of ice. This is not a mere underground lake. Estimates suggest that Europa's subsurface ocean could contain more than twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. What keeps this water from freezing solid? The answer lies in Europa's relationship with Jupiter. As the giant planet's immense gravity tugs on Europa, the moon flexes and bends, generating friction and heat deep within its core. This tidal heating keeps the ocean liquid and perhaps stirs the ingredients for life itself. On Earth, hydrothermal vents at the bottom of our oceans, far from sunlight, support thriving ecosystems built on chemistry, not photosynthesis. If similar vents exist on Europa's ocean floor, they could provide all the necessities of life: water, energy, and complex chemistry. Unlike Mars, whose promise lies in the distant past, Europa may harbor life right now, hidden in its eternal night. To unlock Europa's secrets, NASA has launched the Europa Clipper mission, the largest spacecraft ever built for an interplanetary journey. Its task? To fly past Europa dozens of times, searching for towering plumes of water vapor erupting from cracks in the ice. By sampling these plumes, scientists hope to analyze the ocean's composition and perhaps catch a glimpse of life, all without drilling through the thick crust. But Europa guards its secrets well. The obstacles to exploration are immense. Radiation belts around Jupiter are among the most intense in the solar system, bombarding Europa's surface with lethal doses. Any spacecraft or astronaut venturing here would need heavy protection. Without it, electronics fail, and life is snuffed out in hours. And then there is the ice. Europa's crust could be 20 or even 30 kilometers thick in places, with no atmosphere to slow a landing craft. Even if we land safely, how do we tunnel to the ocean below? Scientists have dreamed up cryobots, robots that melt their way through the ice using nuclear heat. But the energy demands are enormous, and the risk of contaminating an untouched ocean with earthly microbes is a heavy ethical burden. For now, Europa remains off-limits to humans, an enigmatic world that tempts only our bravest machines. Each mission brings us closer, but the final steps may still be decades away. From the lost waters of ancient Mars to the hidden ocean of Europa, our quest for life is not just about finding another Earth. It's about redefining what life means and where it can thrive. It's about expanding our vision of the universe and our place within it, realizing that life might adapt to worlds we once thought utterly uninhabitable. In the cosmic race to find biology beyond our home planet, Mars may be a chapter from the past, but Europa represents a thrilling new beginning. Whatever the outcome, every mission, every discovery brings us closer to answering the greatest question of all. Are we truly alone in the universe? As the echoes of our search fade into the darkness, one truth remains. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of possibility. And as long as we keep searching, we will never truly be alone.